Students of various communities from a northeast state staged a peaceful protest yesterday at Jantar Mantar in Delhi, demanding to restore peace in Manipur and to let the victims resettled in their own villages. The peace protest demanded the central and the state government to restore peace in the prolonged crisis of Manipur, which has been persisting for over 18 months. The protests were jointly organized by Manipur Innovative Youth Organization, in short MION, and United Kaching Students, in short UNICAS, Delhi, under the theme Save Manipur, No Compromise on Manipur's Territorial Integrity. The protesters, including representatives of Northeast Student Society of Delhi University, also showed their solidarity to over 60,000 people of Manipur who are affected by the ongoing crisis. Speaking on the sidelines, historian and geopolitical analyst Avijit Jhavda said that restoring peace and normalcy must be the first step to end the ongoing crisis.
The pain in Manipur has gone on too long. Violence and division had scared our people, forced many from their homes, and left family broken. Today, we also come together in unity. With a shared purpose and a peaceful heart, we are here to demand peace, justice, and a brighter future for our beloved Manipur. This is not just a protest, it is a prayer, a call to our government and leaders, and a commitment to peace and healing. Let this gathering remind us that peace requires action and unity requires commitment. Today, we pray for courage, for our leaders to make bold, compassionate decisions that prioritize the people of Manipur. We pray for a future where the youths and students will live without fear.
Manipur gyapon maging angkhay. Manipur na shanti. Manipur na